Siren has started ringing in the state capital Lucknow as mock drill has begun by the civil defense. This is the second siren. As you see in the visuals, cameraman Sanjay will show you that in the first siren, the people from the civil defense laid down, and you can see the visuals how fire erupted at some places, and that actually happened after that particular missile attack. And as you see the visuals as well, that the missile attack happened, and now the people from the security and civil defense after the second siren got up to save the people out here. And there is a complete blackout. If you see the visuals out here around me, see the visuals, there's a complete blackout here as cameraman Sanjay showing you the visuals out here. As you see that the blackout has started out here. So these visuals clearly telling the story that at one hand you are seeing the mock drill happening at the police line, while on the other hand you are seeing how the rescue operation is taking place, how the people from civil defense are saving the people after the second siren, and how this particular blackout has happened. Just I want to ask the cameraman to round the camera again and just show you the visuals. This is the police line where the entire area is being lighted up all the time. But if you see that particular building or those trees or those big buildings out here, all are, the lights of all these buildings are off now. So that's the impact, that's the thing from ground zero in Lucknow. As you're seeing in the visuals out here, that there's a complete blackout in Lucknow. And after two sirens, what you have to do, this is being shown in this particular mock drill, how the people are saving and rescuing the people out here. As you see in the visuals, the rescue operation is on right there, and the people of civil defense, even the fire tenders have arrived. The area which has been torched during the missile attack by the enemy. So these efforts are being done after center's request to all the states to consider it seriously. And see, the fire tenders have arrived to rescue the people from here. So that's how the civilians will save themselves from these aerial attacks by the enemy. And these fire tenders, these ambulances, see the level and now how it has been doused using the fire tenders. It's all being showed here, the rich visuals from Lucknow's police line. As you can clearly see the fire erupting, it seems that a missile has completely damaged or torched one big vehicle, and that the flames are going up and up in the sky. And now the fire tenders have reached the spot and dousing the first particular fire with the time when the rescue work is on by the people of civil defense. So you need not to panic, number one, and just follow the advisory given by the state government, by the central government, by the Indian Army. As you see the visuals out here, the complete blackout situation out here in the Lucknow police lines. And in between this, you can clearly understand how it is being done, and from ground zero, and civil defense people are maintaining a proper vigil to save the life of each and every citizen out here. With cameraman Sanjay, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.